as a department, been working to help support Humphreys County from the devastated flooding. One thing that was apparent is the need for school supplies upon the students' return. And so last week, 34 family resource centers across the state actually served as hubs for the communities to rally together and collect specific school supply items. There are over 1,000 compiled, and we're putting those backpacks together now for those students.
I'm so empowered by what I saw, just the kindness and generosity, and the generosity of this church, the generosity of the people in Sumner County and the Department of Ed. Our student and family supports, it's all hands on deck. It's going to be like Christmas because they don't have anything. We're hoping this is one glimpse that they can have of happiness and say, wow, there are other people that are here for us.